Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I would like to take you around this produced Audi Q8 Sportback E-Tron S-Line 50 Quattro. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Chronos grey metallic paintwork, which is really give it that standout road appearance. And with this being an approved used vehicle, it does mean it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Moving on now and looking at the key features, this particular vehicle is finished with the S-Line trim level, which just means it has the upgraded styling at the front, the rear and also at the sides. As well as this, you do get the additional chrome elements around, such as the badging and the window surrounds. Moving on now to the exterior key features of the vehicle, where we find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the wheels now, we find these fantastic 21-inch 15-spoke graphite grey alloys, a part of the Audi Sport range, and they do really complement that fantastic grey paintwork. Now to the side of the vehicle, there is also the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as protecting those valuable items from view. Now moving into the rear boot space of the Q8 E-Tron Sportback, where we do find up to 528 litres of storage space. This is a large amount for an EV of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Now taking a look into the rear seat, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort as well as extra storage. There is even Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, but there is also more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Now moving into the front, we do find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean the seats are full leather. They do have the Audi Sports logo as well as the lovely additional white stitching. And above now we find a virtual cockpit display, in which is featured 2 digital rev counters, which are on this fantastic LED digital display, which can also access the navigation as well as telephone connectivity. Now towards the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen navigation display, which does feature the satellite navigation, as well as having access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now moving just below this, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. Now moving to the screen above once again, now we find the reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making this vehicle much easier to park in the tighter spaces. This has been a vehicle presentation of the Audi Q8 E-Tron Sportback 50 S-Line. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.